Welcome to a ClickMate training video. In this video, you learn how to edit and close work orders, modify the work order, such as make changes, track time, add parts, or leave notes. Once a work order is done, learn how to mark it for final review, or simply close it. Let's get started. With the correct user permissions, it's simple to edit a work order form after you create it. Click the Edit button from the work order. Once the Edit work order form is open, click in the fields and type in your changes, or select from the drop-down. Click Save to keep your modifications or hit Discard Changes to cancel. You always have a record of any changes made, and from which user, in the History tab on a work order. As a technician, to edit a work order itself is easy. Simply click on a Status button along the top, or select from the drop-down to update the current situation of the work order. Some other edits typically made by technicians are to add details. There's the Time feature. The Start Timer button turns on a built-in timer to help keep track of labor. Click Stop Timer when done. The other option is to click the Add Timer button for manual time entries. Help keep track of parts from the Parts section. Click on the Add Parts button to open the window and log any parts and the quantity used. Hit Save to keep the details or Cancel to close. If errors are made, you can hover your mouse over the entry and click the Edit icon to modify. The Other Costs section helps keep track of expenses and invoices associated to the work order. Click on the Add Cost button to open the window. Enter your details, such as any expense associated to a vendor. You can even upload images or invoices. Again, hit Save to keep information. Finally, use the Comments field to help streamline communication. This is an ideal place to leave notes, messages, or reminders about the work order. Comments can be shared with other users with the correct notification settings. Now, to close a work order, select either in Review or Completed. As a technician, don't forget to stop your timer. The In Review status should be used when Completed is unavailable. In Review means you consider the job done, but an admin user may need to add more details or give it a final look. Admins can change the status of the work order back to Open if necessary, or finalize it with Completed. The Completed status means the details are entered, the job is done, and the work order can be closed out. To edit and close a work order in ClickMate is easy.